Hey there, fellow garden enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of gardening in April, specifically focusing on what to plant in zones 8 and 8B, whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out. This video is packed with tips and ideas to make your garden flourish this spring. So let's get started. April is an exciting time for gardeners in zones 8 and 8B. The weather is warming up, and it's the perfect opportunity to get your hands dirty and plant some new additions to your garden. But what exactly should you be planting this month? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about vegetables. April is a great time to plant warm season veggies like tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers. These plants thrive in the sunny and warm weather of zones 8 and 8B. So get those seedlings in the ground or start them from seeds for a bountiful harvest later in the season. Now, let's talk about flowers. April is a fantastic time to add some color to your garden with annual flowers like marigolds, petunias, and zinnias. These flowers love the sun and will brighten up any space with their vibrant blooms. Plus, they attract pollinators like bees and butterflies, which are essential for a healthy garden ecosystem. Speaking of pollinators, consider planting some native plants in your garden. Native plants are well adapted to the local climate and soil conditions, making them low maintenance and beneficial for local wildlife. Plants like butterfly weed, black-eyed Susans, and coneflowers are not only beautiful, but also support pollinators and other beneficial insects. Don't forget about trees and shrubs. April is a great time to plant new trees and shrubs in your garden. Consider native varieties like redbuds, dogwoods, and magnolias for a stunning landscape that also supports local biodiversity. When planting trees and shrubs, make sure to dig a hole that's twice as wide as the root ball, but no deeper. This will give the roots room to spread out and establish themselves properly. Remember to water newly planted trees and shrubs regularly, especially during dry spells, to help them thrive. Lastly, let's talk about maintenance. April is not just about planting, it's also about taking care of your existing garden. Make sure to weed regularly to prevent unwanted plants from competing with your crops and flowers. Mulching can also help retain moisture and suppress weeds, so don't skip this step. And of course, don't forget to fertilize your plants. Use a balanced fertilizer or compost to provide essential nutrients for healthy growth. Follow the instructions on the fertilizer package and avoid over-fertilizing, which can harm your plants. Well, there you have it, folks. A guide to what to plant in April for zones 8 and 8B. Whether you're growing vegetables, herbs, flowers, or trees, April is a fantastic time to get your garden in full swing. Happy gardening, and I'll see you next time with more tips and tricks for a thriving garden. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow gardeners. Until next time, happy planting!